tiny block of wood.
Yeah, I have one of those. It should be a
sliver.
Right, sliver?
Yeah.
I have one that's probably like this long. Right there. You see it underneath that green towel?
That's still a little long.
That's what she said.
I want it to be roughly the size of this so it doesn't... I'd like it to sit beside of there.
Yeah, that would be great, right? Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so... I do have a circular saw. It's in your truck at home.
I don't have any tools on me. They're all ancestral.
Son of a bitch. Okay, so that's the 12. I knew there was a 12 involved at some point. So to take off the kickstand, you need a 10 or a 14 millimeter, a 8 millimeter, and a 12 millimeter. So, taking this off. This spring is no joke.
Yeah.
Yep. Trying to put it on, when I was putting on the kickstand, I was like, are you serious right now? But this T-Rex kickstand is stout.
Yeah, it's heavy, dude.
Yeah, it makes this guy look like a joke. It also, it's not exactly good for weight. If you're reducing weight, this is adding weight. It's definitely adding weight, but it's worth the investment. Oh, it's up there. It's in that. I believe it's in that red bag. That's my inflatable.
That's your. What's her name?
Jenny. She's needy. You know, you're never around. I'm like, I got stuff to do. I don't have time.
Come on now, man. This is turning into some kind of weird Buffalo Bill. We got inflatables, air nailer, and now a hatchet.
That's why. That's why Buffalo. Is it Buffalo Bill or Buffalo Bob?
Bill.
Okay, it's my Buffalo Bill starter kit. Can you stand behind it?
No.
Because when I pull on it, it literally moves the bike. This will make you feel like you're weak. It'll make you feel like you're weak.
Well, you're doing it wrong. You need to get a smaller screwdriver and stick it through and grab it from both ends.
To like leverage. Oh, I was gonna. The last time I did it the way I did it, I should have just did it that way. I guess right off the bat. You put it on and then you pull it with it on it.
Oh, okay.
It gives you leverage.
There you go. Got the clutch. She's a runner. She's deafening.
It's loud, isn't it? It is loud. Wait till you get on it. You're like, who opened that? Okay, kickstand is working. It is functional. Try to get it right on that weld line. It's off. You shouldn't have to take it too much off. It's just got to get off of that.
Yeah, it's got to take the pressure off. She tight. Hold on a second.
I think your side's the bolt.
No, my side's the nut.
I meant the nut, and I got the bolt.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take the top bolt off.
Alright, you spin, because I have the exhaust here. Jesus, wide as shit. Alright, we're on. Yeah, this is bottom, this is top.
Holy shit.
Hey, they came off.
So I guess that answers that question.
Yep, it don't drop. Let's just put it on the 2 foot lower mark.
Well, yeah, I don't want to try to flap with it.
Yeah.
So, all right, taking that out. I'm taking this out. We're putting number 2.
It's supposed to be up like that?
Well, because actually we'll do it the other way around. We'll put the bottom one in. And then we have to lower it.
Yeah. About a 1 inch. I'm gonna have to take my thing out now because we're gonna bottom out on it.
Okay. Put it on that transfer. Yeah, we'll leave. I'd actually put it underneath this. Is that got enough space? Yeah,
it's gonna be close.
That's good.
Come on down. We're halfway in between.
That sucks because we are almost at the bottom.
We're almost there. Right there, stop. Alright, let's see if we can get the bolt
through. It's there.
Worth there.
Worth there.
Alright, hold your end. So I can't get both hands in here to get started. Alright.
You want me to tighten it?
Yeah, you tighten because I'm on the exhaust. And I'll finish her. Alright, let me finish her.
Yeah, I imagine that bitch is on there tight. And it wasn't that hard to break loose, so.
Bottom.
Bottom.
I'll do this one.
Alright. Yeah,
That's her.
That's it.
Even threads too. Oh, hold on a second. There we go.
You're gonna have to jack it up because this here is.
Okay.
Just give it a little love and it should slide out.
Is that a good spot?
Yeah. take much. Yep. Okay.
You clear?
Yep. Honestly, that is, I mean, it's a good, like, quality item.
They don't even weigh nothing.
No, they weigh about as much as the
New ones.
The new ones. I should have weighed them. just to do the everybody weighs their thing. Dude, that's low as shit. Woo! In fact,
now a cop ain't gonna be able to read that license plate.
It's arguably, it could arguably be a little too low. It's
oh my God, this is perfect.
Yeah, right.
We do got to drop the front a little bit because it's sitting a little like this.
It is sitting like that.
But
like
I think an inch
like
would do it.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to do this front a little.
Look at this. I got bend in my knees.
I know.
And I'm flat-footing it now.
I know. It's insane.
I'm not like...
I just feel like, do you think that that's too low?
Let's over the front an inch and then take it for a ride. Stop. We are exactly 1 inch lowered.
Is that wire right where we need it? See how it's... That will work. That'll work.
Yep, that will work. There we go. Easy. Keep on coming. A little less than a halfway to go.
Oh, you know what? The last time I did this here, I'll give it some. Okay, so this one all down.
Almost. Can you see my line?
Yeah. Oh,
keep going, almost. Stop. Give her one little more wiggle. Keep going. That's her. That's close. That's real close.
what's up, everybody? This is the after show. Camera died, so pretty much you're getting the back end here. It was almost done anyway, so rather than get up and change things around, we just kept on with it. So we ended up going with the 1 inch in the front, and I raised this back up an inch. So it's 1 inch in the rear, 1 inch in the front. It rides really well. You can't tell a difference. I mean, virtually no difference from what I've lowered it to from stock height. I can't feel a difference. Not in turning, not leaning, and anything like that. So pretty much to go over what I've got, what I put on it, I did the Bren or the BT Moto lowering links, and then I did a T-Rex kickstand. The T-Rex kickstand, it does not call out for a triple R. It calls out for the double R, but the double R does fit. Kickstand does fit and work and function, no issues with it. The BT Moto lowering link, it's the only lowering link that I found online. Now you can get some lowering links on like eBay where somebody kind of, they ran a mill off inside, wherever they're making them, and they will probably work. I wanted to go something with a little bit more reputation, so that's why I went with the Bren. Cost-wise, substantially different. You're paying for the name on it because it's just a basic lowering link. There's nothing special about it. And it was $249 is what they sell it for online,
It says $299, but every time I've ever looked at it, it gives you a sale price, and so it's not $299, it's $249. I went to my local shop and I got it for like $230, and I just went with it. I just felt more comfortable with going with that one, so that's what I did. The T-Rex kickstand is $100. So overall, it was roughly what, $330 to lower it. Doing it yourself, obviously, if a shop did it, it's going to cost you more. But it rides fine. It does everything that I want it to. It looks good. I like it lowered. I liked my double R when I lowered it. It just feels better naturally. I'm 5'6", so that's just more of a comfortable ride for me. But it is great. It's fantastic. I do have other plans to do some other things. Right now, it's going to be more of like riding it. It's got 300 miles on it. So when I first got the motorcycle, I rode it for a little bit, and then the weather here where I'm at was horrible. And it was horrible for like a month. I mean, it was raining like every damn day. So I didn't get to ride it much. Then I went on vacation. I had a little thing that I had to do, so I didn't get to ride it then either. I came back, I rode, for a couple days. I could ride it. So that is going to be my main goal. I'm going to ride it, break it in some more. I follow Chris Moore, so I trust what he says. Pretty much, you don't really need to do more than 20 heat cycles on it. It definitely has that at this point, but I don't know. I'm going to keep going. So I have booked my appointment to get her dyno tuned with Chris. So I will be doing that. Before that happens, I will obviously have hit my 600 mark. I'll do a full oil change, check everything. I haven't decided what oil to go with yet. I was going to do Motul or try Motul. Everyone says great things about it, so I'm leaning on the fence. What I put in my double R is the Honda, the HP, let's see, the HP 4S. This is what I use in the double R, and I also use in my, I believe I have that in my 600 as well. So I may use this. I haven't decided yet. I know that I think it's the 7400 for the Motul. Either way, I'll do the oil change, make sure everything's tight and buttoned down on her, and just kind of ride her out, like get used to it, feel her out. And yeah, it's got 300 miles on it. And I know you think like you're gonna know the motorcycle. I don't, because I'm not exactly full, getting into it. You don't, when I'm turning or when I'm getting on it, I'm not trying to wind it out, because I'm still breaking it in. I'm not trying to put the hammer down. So I'm still learning it. But the bike is beautiful. It's finished pretty much. It has not much else cosmetically that I plan on doing with it. I may do wheels in the future. Right now my focus is mainly to ride it, go get it dynoed, see how it is, just live with the bike. Yeah, so most of the stuff that I'm going to put out now is going to be kind of like just riding it. It's going to be, doing different things with the bikes, as in I want to put them both up next to each other. So I want the double R and the triple R. I want to line them up, do a couple pulls, see how they relate to one another in feeling. So I'll put out some stuff on that. So other than that, though, everything's pretty much done for now. So till the next time, I'll see y'all later.